Guys, what's up? I'm gonna do this kind of quick because it started raining out, now it stopped. Now I'm sweating, so here we go. Check it out. Don't blink, don't miss a beat. Open your ears. Here we go. Ready, guys? How you doing? Hope everybody's doing great. With that said, this is a 2013 lifted, a zone lift kit, zone lifted 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD 4x4 LTZ. You later. LTZ, white bow ties, backup camera, all brand new brakes on all four corners. 1 4 corner, 2 4 corner. I'm sorry, brand new brakes, pads, and calipers all the way around. I didn't cheat on this one, not any way, shape, or form. No money's been spared. Inspected at the local Chevrolet dealership down the street. Recalls done. Everything up to par on it. Fox shocks on all four corners. The truck's from Oklahoma originally and Florida half its life. So Oklahoma, Florida truck right here. Then Virginia, I believe. Billet grill, bone stock as far as engine and stuff like that. All the maintenance been done. So we'll go over it and let's check it out. One small dent that's been barely eyeing. You can barely see that. You got to get really up close to see it. And it's starting to rain, go figure. So check it out. Truck's beautiful truck inside and out. Cab corners are in pristine condition. No rust, as you can see. Like I said, it's got a zone lift kit. All the drop brackets are up there. Everything is up to par. You can see the truck is clean. Super, super clean. Everything's great under it. Fox shocks. Fox 2.0 shocks on all four corners. Here's your zone drop bracket up front with your, what do you call it? Skid plate right there. Your block heater. So let's go and check it out. First thing you can notice, obviously, beautiful set of fairly new 35 1250 20 Nitto Trail Grappler MT tires mounted around an XD 825 wheel. Nice little setup here, guys. You got a gooseneck in the back. Flip the ball over, you got a goose popping out of your bed. Silverado LED taillights, factory LED taillights. It looks really clean and crisp. And when you hit the brakes, it's really, really nice. Watch, ready? Boom. I love the way that looks. B&W trailer hitch systems, turnover gooseneck hitch ball right there. So there you go. There you have it. Let's proceed forward with the video so you guys don't get bored. I just locked myself out of the truck. 6.6 Duramax Allison with all the goodies. Turn signals incorporated into the mirrors. No sunroof. Beautiful pristine seats. Power, electric trailer brake controller, four-wheel drive works great. Heated seats, brushed aluminum, obviously the nice Chevrolet bezel right there. Power mirrors, brand new weather text on all four front and back. I'm sorry, just two front and then factory ones in the back. Miles, 116,973 maintained miles. Starts up great, runs great. Revs great, oil pressure's great, backup camera, oh there we go, backup camera, dual climate control, exhaust brake. I mean, everything is really, really good on this truck. All the factory, I'll put it in park, all the factory manuals right here, 3 booklets for Chevrolet and the Chevrolet inspection from Chevrolet dealership. Like I said, the truck runs and drives great. The back seat's in pristine condition. The floor's in great condition. It smells clean in here. Small little crack, the famous crack on the Chevy dash. Bose sound system. What more can you ask for in a beautiful diesel truck? It's like I said, it doesn't sound fancy by any means because it's bone stock. But besides the lift kit, shocks, wheels, and tires. There's the cap corners and rocker panels in great shape. Under the carpet, I hope I'm not boring you guys. Let's get more towards the video. This is for sale. There's the VIN number. Check it out. Let's check out the power plant. Ready? Boom. Power plant action. There you go. 6.6 liter Duramax fluids are absolutely clean, pristine. The batteries, I think these are brand new batteries actually. Yeah, brand new Interstate batteries. It was a little weak when I first got it, being honest with you, so I didn't hesitate, didn't put one. A lot of cheap people do too. It draws off the dead battery. Remind you of that, guys. When you put one battery in, the dead battery draws off the new battery. So with that said, I put 2 brand new interstate batteries in here. That's what it needs in a diesel truck. Wintertime comes around, you want to have the best of the best. This is it. You guys have any questions, give us a call, 540-898-3025. There's more truck. Come visit us sometime. It's like a big kid's candy shop. You pull right off of Route 1 over there, and you'll see the monster truck sitting out front. We got a lot of cool stuff. We can get you accessories. We can get you wheels and tires, give you the hookup. Visit us, superiorwholesale.org, or call 540-898-3025. I'll have my work cell phone on me during work hours. You're welcome to call or text me with any questions regarding this truck at 540-848-2974. That's 540-848-2974. Here's the stock number for the truck, C0361. Say that 5 times fast. But it's going up for sale now. Look at the date, because it will be sold shortly, hopefully, to the new awesome owner. So you guys take care. See you later. Bye.